How does your person view you? Okay, this is your favorite. This is my favorite topic, but this is your favorite topic too. Okay, yeah. So you all want to know how your person view you. This is why you have clicked on this particular video. Okay, and thank you for clicking on this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Any of you want to get your personal readings done, contact me in the contact me on WhatsApp. The number is in the details below. Okay. How does your person view you? Close your eyes and think about your person. Okay, think about your person and think about yourself also. Close your eyes. Okay, how does your person view you? I'm gonna find it out. Holy divine God, thank you. Kindly tell me, how does collective's person view my collective? All right, who's excited? Let me know in the comment section below. If this video resonates, let me know too. Okay, I'm getting the Four of Pentacles card already. Okay, we have the Lovers. Lovers and Four of Pentacles for you. Okay, how does your person view you? Okay, we have the Justice. Five of Wands is there. Page of Swords is there. King of Cups is there. Okay, how does your person view you? So many cards. Okay, we have Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Okay, well, I'm getting with very first time when your person view you, they thought that you were very much lonely. So I'm just the reader here, guys. Okay, I'm not getting into how you like this video, but I'm reading. Okay, so when your person first time view you, they thought that you were very lonely and you did not have anyone to go to. Maybe you were a single person, that your person thought. Okay, when they view you for the first time. Okay, now your person also thinks like, they have some kind of soulmate thoughts for you. They have some thoughts about sexual thoughts, sensual thoughts for you. Okay, this is how your person view you. Also, your person has some kind of vibe towards you, that you're very much lonely, and that you're very much sad sometimes. I don't know, but this is coming in sad vibes. And this is what your person thinks. Sometimes they think that you're lonely. Okay, sometimes they think, but we have good cards too here. Okay, I think your person also thinks like you do justice to others. There is some part of you who has this who has this you can fight for your rights, something like that. You could be a feminist. Your person could have thought that you're a feminist, or you can fight for other people also. So your person thinks that you can stand up, you have some kind of say in a particular thing, but you are also very much into there are two different feelings for this particular card. I think your person thinks that you're competitive. Okay, they see you as a competition. Sometimes they see you as a competitive person, but they also think that you are also you also fight. Okay, so there is something about fighting and using your throat chakra, and you fight for small things, something like that. Okay, your person also thinks that you have a good physique, or maybe you're flexible, or you are into martial arts, or your body is fine, something like that about your body. Your body is great, your body is fine. Your person views you as that. Maybe you have a good strength to yourself, and you can fight for yourself, or the people that you love, or maybe anyone. Okay, so I think your person thinks that you're good on your own. So this person has two different vibes for you. So when the first time they saw you, they think that they are completely wrong about you. Okay, you were not lonely, but they thought that you were lonely. Maybe you were sad at that particular time when you met your person for the very first time. But yeah, this is about your person thinks that you can fight, you are competitive very much, okay. Yeah, this person also thinks that a lot of people fight for your attention. A lot of, you could be, very much good looking with this person. Do you look at this person wearing a lot of makeup? This person also thinks that you wear jewelry, you wear good makeup, something about that. But about your money, this person thinks that, you know yeah, so this is something coming to me very special. This is not about you, okay? This is not about your money. This person is in a, is in a place where they are putting this on you. So this is about your person, how they are lacking money and they are looking at you with a lack, something like that. I don't know, but this card is about your person's own feelings of lacking money, or maybe protecting money, or maybe something like that, okay. But yeah, this is about your heart also. This is Four of Pentacles, but this is giving me a heart vibe that you're very much secure person, and you don't easily talk to other people. This is about your person who thinks about you like this. So you don't easily talk to other people. You are very much concerned about who you are. So maybe you are this woman or a man, okay, who is very secure, who is very authentic, who is very charming. Because when you protect yourself, when you keep boundaries to yourself, this is how your person started loving you in the very first place, okay. They think that you're very secure, you have boundaries, and you have some kind of self respect and self protection. This is why they fell in love with you, something like that, okay. Something about being covered, okay. So you're covered, your person thinks that you're covered. You have a lot of money also, okay. Maybe you have money but you don't show to other people that you have money. This is also giving me this vibes, because this is the Queen of Pentacles, that your person think about you. They think that you have a lot of money and you don't tell this to other people, but you are the Queen of Pentacles, okay. You are a secured person. This is what it is coming to me, okay. You I think your person thinks that you tested your person, okay. I think your person is being tested by you in some way, and your person knows this, that you put out a test on your person. Maybe, I don't know, but if you tested your person in some way, this person knows that yes, you did, okay. Because this person knew by something that you showed them afterwards. This is why this is coming, that you don't show your money initially, but then you are the Queen of Pentacles to your person. This is how your person thinks of you, and this is about being a secured person also, okay. um, your person also thinks that you're beautiful, you're amazing, and maybe you have some kind of a dark thing, dark side attached to you. This Queen of Wands and this Justice is giving me that vibe. You have a dark side attached to you, and you are very, so you are very much open to your person. I'm feeling like your person thinks that they know you a lot, okay. I think your person knows that they know you a lot. Because of you, I think your person started um I wanted to say meditation, but manifestation is coming to me, okay. I think your person started to manifest you, okay, and they started to meditate also. This person could be, could be wearing rings, some kind of weird rings. I feel like this person is not interested in their marriage. If they're married to anyone else, they are not. I'm just getting this King of Cups. This person is married to someone else, and this person has a superb superior connection to you. This person, I feel like your spirit guides are also guiding this person, and your spirit guides make you both meet for a reason. This person knows that they are following you, so I feel like your person is following you. Okay, following you to meditation, following you to know and unravel those parts of spirituality. Maybe they want to go to higher wisdom, something like that. And I'm getting a beach, I'm getting a starfish, okay, I'm getting a piranha also, something like that. Okay, I think your person could have someone who is not good for them with this particular fish. I never saw this fish. I had this deck about 3 years now, but this fish I just saw for the very first time. 3 years, or I don't know how long I have this deck, but I saw this fish for the very first time. This fish is giving me a piranha vibe, okay? I think your person has some kind of a past where they shared some kind of love relationship with someone, and this has been aching them. Your person um, has been getting bitten by some kind of emotional emotional person who is not good for them, and this is what is your person, that he or she is not able to digest that. So your person knows that they are fighting for you in the spiritual world. Your person is they want you to know that your person is fighting for you in the spiritual world. Okay, yeah, so something about your person is coming in this. Okay, I think your person also knows that you are into some kind of business or of your own. You work, you are an entrepreneur, you could be a business person. This is what your person knows, and this person knows that you are you are some sort of a unattainable person. You are unattainable. Something about you is very much secure, but this is giving me more like your person thinks that, so like I am getting this particular vibe. You have a den, okay, and no one can enter the lion's den. So your person thinks that you are the lion of the, and you have a den and no one can visit you there. So you're very secured, but you're very much also about the lion. You're very much, how you say that, the lion has is a hunter. The lion is ferocious, right? So you are that particular lion to your person, and you're unattainable, but you also have this dark side that you don't show. Like, this is very particular about you, so your person knows that you have a dark side to you. I think this person is in love with you a lot. This person is your soulmate. This person is in love with you. This person is finding you everywhere in the spiritual world. This person is trying to connect with you telepathically. This person is trying to connect with you a lot. They just want to see you. Something like that is coming. They are finding peace within you. They're finding peace with you, okay, because you're also the Queen of Pentacles, right? For your person, you have a very, okay, so this is also coming. Your person knows you this much. If this is all, this is all fitting with you, and you think that yes, this is who you are, but this is coming from your person. How do they view you? This is also, they know you so much. Just by this reading you can understand that your person know you so much, but they still think that I don't know you enough. Your person thinks that I don't know you enough, but I still know you. Something like that, okay? Your person has this particular vibe about you, that you're very far from your family, from your relatives, from your friends, from your loved ones. I feel like this person thinks that you're far from uh, a lot of your loved ones, but it's because a lot of people have competition, and there is some kind of, you know, a thing that you have suffered in the past. So something about you, that you stay single, you are also giving me that, you're also giving me that you have a lot of energy, and this is coming me as a monk, but the monk who has fighting energy, who can, more like a airbender. Okay, so you to your person, you are more like a airbender. Okay, but very spiritual, very spiritual. Okay, let's find more. Guys, let me know in the comment section below if this reading is resonating with you and how you're liking it. Let me know how your person view you. They definitely look at you and they think that you both are connected. Look at this particular star and this particular cosmos energy to both of your intuitive chakras, right? Sixth chakra, third eye chakra. You guys are soulmates. Okay, this is connecting. If you can see this clearly, that there is a star. Okay, so your person feels like they are fallen in love with you, right? And they don't know how to get close to you. Something about you is some, yeah, look at that, Two of Wands is there. Okay, why is this Two of Wands here? Let me see more. Okay, your person has this, maybe your person is looking at you with Two of Wands, but they think that you want this with them, you want your person a lot, but also that you are taking care of something that is unknown to you, which is your dark side. But this person with the Two of Wands that is coming, this person thinks that they will meet you sometime. You and them, both of you will meet each other. This person is, head over heels in love with you, moon and back, something like that. I can just say with the clarity that I'm getting towards in this particular reading, guys, your person is in love with you. Let's see more. How do your person view you, collective? I just feel like there is some kind of vibration that your person wants to meet you. They are thinking of meeting you. They're making plans. They're not taking an action, but they're making plans. With these two cards, definitely they're not taking an action. They are going in the meditation. They are thinking about you. They're looking. But this is also what they are giving to you. There is an energy that you may be receiving from your person, that I want to wait for my person. I want to look towards my person. I don't know what to do. I'm sad. So this is your person's energy. This is what they are putting on you. Okay, this is what they are putting on you. But I feel like your person wants to see you again. Okay, they also want to know if you're fine, if you're doing okay. Okay, your person wants to see if you're doing okay. How your person view you, collective? I think I'm not getting any cards. Collective, how does collective's person view them? I saw Ace of Cups, but that did not come out. The Fool card. They feel like, they are somewhere, confused about falling in love with you again. So it makes them confused. This person wants to fall in love with you again, but this makes them confused a lot because this came in reverse. They are very unsure whether you want this with them or not. They're very unsure. Yeah, so they also think that you don't want this anymore. Your person thinks that between you two there was a chemistry, there is a good thing, but you don't want this anymore. You don't want to have a new beginning with your person. Something like that is also very. But this time your person is thinking about you a lot. A lot. They can't be without you. There's a hermit card, two of pentacles, ace of pentacles. Well, these cards came in reverse. For your person, it was never a, give and take. Like, it was falling in love with you, but they never thought that they would receive something from you. Generally in relationships, it's more like you give me this, you give me that, like money, things, and this would be a partnership. And just a partnership, when two people come towards each other, they are telling each other that I want this, I want that. But with your person, I'm feeling like it was not a give and take thing, it was just a plain love. Okay, plain love. They were not expecting anything from you, that you know if we come into a relationship, you do this for me, like cook rotis or make food, or this is about money, right? So it was not a business deal for your person, something like that. Okay, very clearly I'm getting this, that this was not a business deal for your person. If any of you thinks that it was about money, no, it was not a business deal for your person at all. They got confused with your personality. I am telling you, you are someone very highly competitive. You are someone who has a personality to them. You are someone who understands yourself. You are someone who is, for who people are, one, people are competitive with you, right? But then people also compete for your attention. So people want to get your attention, and this is why your person, you are more like a lion, right? Lion's den for you. Your person got so much confused with your personality, whether you were interested in them or not, I don't know, something like that. And they also think that so this card came in reverse, right? It has, they think like you talk to other people but you don't talk to them. Your person thinks about you like that. You talk to other people but you don't talk to them. Let's see more. Let's close this. Let's take some final cards, how your person view you. Okay, I actually want to keep going on. I don't want to stop. Okay, I like this video, I don't know why, but this is, we have Nine of Swords, but I'm closing this. Okay, Nine of Swords is here, King of Pentacles is here, Five of Pentacles is here, Knight of Wands is here. Your person very much understands that you're a free soul. Okay, you want to continue with your journey. Your person understands that, and with this I can find this. Okay, your person still gets your frequency, your vibrations, that you are not able to sleep in the night. Sometimes you think about your person a lot. Your person could be your angel. Your person could be visiting you in astral. Okay, I feel like your person is visiting you with the open eyes, astral. They love you a lot and they can connect to you anytime, but especially when you're not able to go through with something, because you are a person who has justice in the cards very particularly. This person knows that somewhere you're very much alone. With the 9 number and 5 number very specifically, your person shows you that they are not there. Okay, but they are looking forward for you all the time. If you met them at a particular place and that place was their everyday place, something like that. They still miss you, they still want to see you sometime, okay? They are very much lonely without you, okay? This is coming to me, your person is lonely without you. Sometimes when you're not dressing up great, your person sees you. I don't know, but this is coming to me. When you're not dressing up great, when you're not coming out, when you're in your own house, in your own room, something like that, your person knows that you're not coming out. Okay, you're inside and you're not okay. Something when you're not, when when you're not able to sleep in the night, your person knows this. How your person knows all of this, okay? This is all coming. But then for you, I received queen of pentacles, but for your person, we have the king of pentacles also. They are always looking forward for you. So with you and your person, I'm feeling like for your person, it's never you or them as a single person. They have some kind of attachments, they have some kind of cords attached to you. They will always be there, okay? This person cannot follow their when they want to work, they are not able to work also when they are thinking about you. So yeah, it has been heavy on them. It has been so yeah, understand this vibe, what your person is trying to convey to you in this particular reading. I don't know what this was, but I'm glad that I read this for you guys. I am really finding a lot of peace with today's reading. I don't know why, but um when two people love each other, I just want to I just get this vibe that this is a beautiful, beautiful reading. I loved this, okay? But yeah, I know things could be very much difficult at your end and at your person's end also. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close this reading and thank you for visiting here. Let me know in the comment section through the likes how you like it, and you can get your personal readings through WhatsApp, okay? Number in the description box only, okay? I'll see you next time or in your personal readings. Lots of love. Bye, guys.